Okay, this is how you install a glass rod. Here are different glass rods. So, first you open up the pull station. This is the Edwards. So, just snap it right in there and go along with your finger until you hear the two clicks. Then put it up, you should see it. Now let's pull it. You should see it drop. So it just dropped. The alarm's activated. Falls down to simulate a real fire. So, like how to install it, you get a new one like this. Then put it back in there. This is just an alarm for demos. And it's all set in. Turn key. Put it in. Turn it. Then the little glass rod, well, I won't say glass rod, but plastic rod is installed, and it's harder to pull. I'm going to do a demo.